Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to try to use my tripod so it's not all shaky cam the whole entire time like the other couple of videos have been. But today we're going to work on putting up these hangers. There's these little metal joist hangers that we have to nail down, and then we have to put in the big BCIs across. Okay, as you can see, this is a BCI. This thing right here, it's made up of like compressed boards and like OSB. This is what our ceiling is made out of, and this is hanging on the edge over there, a little bit in, and then it's going to go into these hangers. As I was telling you earlier, these ledgers weren't exactly the right size, and not all of them are exactly the right size. So we actually had to cut out this little strip from a 2x4 to bring up the hangers to the very bottom of this ledger. But if we didn't do this, when we look at our ceiling above and below, it's going to be all jacked up. It's going to be all wavy, and we didn't want that. So this is working. All right, look at this, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Technically 5 if you count the ledger, but the ceiling is coming in. It is coming in. Yes. Comes with me. We're gonna measure the next BCI. This is what we've been doing, but I haven't been showing you guys. So we take this, we gotta measure it all the way up to the very edge. So anyways, he measures it on that side. I get it to the very edge of this board, and then yeah, then we just put it up, which is really hard, but we're on number 6 here, which is looking good. Did you drop one of the lights?
Yeah, I knocked the bulb out, but it didn't break. It didn't break. That's what I was trying to do. I was trying to, it bounced down me, and I'm like trying to keep it from shattering all over.
I don't know how that works. How did that not break? Okay, so we did a lot of work right now. We're basically done for the day. We did a lot, and it's just so hot. It's like at least 100 degrees in here. So we'll do the rest of this tomorrow morning. All right, so just like yesterday, we have to cut a strip that we're gonna lay on top so all the hangers come to the right height. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Alright, so we got all the hangers in. Alright, so me and Pops are calling it a day. It seems like somebody made a mistake when we did the measurements for this, and these are all supposed to be spaced at 16 inches. And from this third hanger, it just gets progressively worse. So we'll start again tomorrow. We'll have to tear all of these off and then remeasure it, and then we'll continue on what we were doing today, but tomorrow. So people make mistakes. It's all good. So this is what happens when you do stuff like this. So it's all good. Take the day off. more to go. We still have to put the nails in this, but it's more to go. And everything will be done on this side, and then we just have to deal with the hallway. Okay, so as you can see, most of the roof is put together. Things are really looking good. We have to deal with this utility side over here. Let me show you. So this portion over the utility room where the washer and dryer are, this is what we have to deal with. And basically we have to put the hangers back on again, and then this will run into this, and it'll butt up to each of these beams, and then we'll nail them in. And so that's what we're gonna work on just a little bit today. It's kind of like most of the day is gone, so we're gonna put up maybe two to four hangers today, and maybe hang 2 or 3 of them, something like that. So that's what we're up to. Also, 10 feet off the ground is pretty high. Okay, so I don't think I showed any of you guys, but this is what the top of our ceiling is going to look like. And after everything gets squared off and good, and we put up ledgers and stuff, we can start putting the flourish part on top of here and stuff. So it'll be pretty good. There's lots of open space here. I think me and Laura talked about putting a loft in here, but it'll be on that back wall so we can have the windows that go outside. So that'll be exciting. Trying to figure out though how to get up here is probably going to be the biggest challenge that we're going to have, because it's going to be very difficult to figure out how to get up here. But all in all, I think it's very doable. It's just going to take some finessing and some smart big brain power. I don't know, big brain? Gotta use our big brains. Well, so that's it for this video. I wanted to get Laura out here. I know we haven't seen much of her in these last couple of videos, but I mean, she went through that kidney infection. She was not feeling good. You're feeling better though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's feeling a lot better. I'll show you the rest of what we did there probably in the next video. It's only a couple more of those BCIs, but the utility room's pretty much closed in. And hopefully by the next time we see you again or do another video like this, it'll be finishing the hallway and maybe some other things. I don't know. So, see ya.